This is how to install the Google Play Store in your Fire HD8 2017. I've tested this with Fire OS 5.3.7.0. First, we have to enable developer options in settings, device options, and by tapping the serial number for a couple of times to enable the developer options. In here, I have it already enabled. Then we go to developer options and we enable ADB so we can use our Amazon Fire Toolbox. Next, we open Amazon Fire Toolbox, which you can get from the link below, and we click Google Services. We click yes and wait for it to install. As you can see, I have errors because I have it installed in my tablet. Just wait for it to complete and you will have Play Store. Thank you for watching.